Today I'm working in my 2014 9th generation Honda Civic. This one has been making some whining noises like power steering. This car, this generation, they no longer has the hydraulic pump power steering unit. All this car has the pump reservoir right here. This one doesn't have it. So after done this assembly, I found this pulley back there. This pulley, the bearing went bad. Can you hear it? And you can see I can wiggle it side by side. So that was the problem. So it's a kit. I bought it. It comes with that pulley, the belt, and the tensiometer, which is this one right here. So I already removed the alternator, which is right over there. I got it out. It has one bolt that goes here, another bolt that goes underneath. It's hitting underneath the pulley. It's kind of hard to see. So now I'm gonna remove this pulley to get access to the tensiometer, which is this bolt that's it right here, I think, and I should have another behind this pulley hidden somewhere here. Yeah, to remove the water pump pulley, what I did, I used this extension. The pulley has holes here, so I inserted these the holes, and when it gets there, tight there, holding it, I just break then loose. It had holes all around. Okay, so to get the tensiometer pulley out, I had to get this bolt off, and there's an Allen wrench right there. Just a tensiometer right here. So I already pulled out the tire out. So if you look underneath the pulley, it should be right there. So I have to put an Allen wrench over there. And I'd like to replace this pulley too. This one over here. But this one, that's one making like whining noises. It sounds like it's a power steering is bad. Right here. You can see the play of it. The way it sounds. Bearing went bad. The easiest way to get the internal wrench, the Allen wrench bolt out, is by putting the wrench, the 3/8 long ratchet, and then I use another longer wrench, and to level it, push it that way. I tried to do it underneath, and man, that bolt was really hard to lose. It has a lot of torque on it. So just be sure the wrench is in all the way, because if you strip the bolt, I have a bad feeling you're gonna end up removing your engine to get that one out. But I already have it loose, so that will be it for the removal. That's the internal wrench bolt I was talking about. So it's I think that's a number 8 Allen wrench. So now you gotta remove this bolt from there, and it will be out. Just got it loose. Just finish removing it, and the whole tensiometer, the whole belt tensioner is out. I think it goes the easiest way. Just get it out underneath the car. Let's see. Had it out. The easiest way is had to kind of rotate it this way and then pull it out. Yeah, it don't go underneath the car. It's kind of goofy. That's where the internal bolt goes, internal wrench, and that's where you put the tool to lose the tension on it. So that's all it is. Put it back. It's the same procedure as removing. So yeah, same bolts and everything. There's no special details on it. So I hope you like this video. For the antenna removal, I've loaded another video explaining how to remove it. Thank you for watching.